Good morning, children. Today's thought is mistakes are proof that you are trying. Children, mistakes are the part of human experiences. We must learn from our mistakes and try to overcome the mistake. Okay, don't repeat your mistake again and again. In last class, we have started lesson number 9, symmetry. Today we will continue this lesson. Today's topic is open figure and closed figure. So first is a closed figure. Now let's see what is meant by closed figure. A figure that begins and ends at the same point is called as a closed figure. Okay, the figure which begins and ends at the same point. For example, see this figure. This is a square. If we start drawing square from this point, then standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Again we reach at the same point. Means what? A figure that begins and ends at the same point is called as a closed figure. Means this square is a closed figure. Let's see this figure. This is a pentagon. So if we start from this point, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again we reach at the same point. So this is also a closed figure. Such a figure which begins and ends at the same point is called as closed figure. So above figures are closed figures. Then second is an open figure. If the two ends of a figure are not joined, then the figure is called as an open figure. If two ends are not joined, then then only the figure is the open figure. For example, see this figure. We can clearly see two ends of the figure, and such figure, when the two ends are not joined, this figure is called as an open figure. Okay. See the another one. These are the two ends. This one and this one. So this is also an open figure. And this is also an open figure because two separate ends are there. Okay. So above figures are open figure. If the figure begins and ends at the same point, then it is a closed figure, and if the two ends of a figure are not joined, then it is an open figure. Okay. Now we will solve some question based on this. So question is, find the open figure and closed figure from those given below. Here are some examples and you have to identify. See first figure. Now if we start from this point, then after drawing we reach again the same point. Okay, so this is a closed figure. Next one, if we start from this point, then again we reach at the same point, then this is also a closed figure. Next, see here two separate ends can be seen, this one and this one. So if two ends are not joined, then this is an open figure. Now fourth one, D. It is again a closed figure because if we start from this point, again we will reach at the same point. So it is a closed figure. And the last one, this is again a open figure because there are two separate ends. Okay. So this is all about open figure and closed figure. Children, we stop here. In the next class, in the next period, we will see next topic of the same lesson. Till then, happy learning.